Okay, so good afternoon, good evening. I'm Leonardo. I'm a student from Dreed 003 from Mechanical Engineering Section 42, fourth year Section 2. So in this, as you can see, in this assessment, we are given two options. I picked option 1 and I will be discussing my forms that was given to me by the 3 students and 3 workers whom I delivered it to. The 3 students remains anonymous because they are my past classmates from other schools, while the 3 workers are my parents, 2 of my parents and another from my tita. I got a total of 4 survey answers. So I sent the 4 of my classmates, I sent them the forms, Google Forms, and they answered and they reviewed my questionnaire and gave me back their answer. Well, the rest of the adults, the workers, I also sent them a Google Form sheet wherein they answered my questions. So I will be showing you a brief summary of what they answered for me. So as you can see, in the questions part, this was my question. Which among these virtues do you display in difficult moments? And I specified in chat that specifically during the COVID-19 pandemic and loss of a lover or other translations. Basically in difficult moments. So I made it so that there are a lot of virtues, but at the end there are also vices that they can pick from. But I am more interested in the virtues, but it is really quite interesting to see that some of them, or most of them, also experience vices during difficult moments. And I also left out a non-required explanation for the feeling that they felt. So out of the responses that I got, 4 from my classmate and 3 from my 2 from my parent, 1 from my tita. These are the results that I got. The main virtue that they experience during difficult moments is resilience. and followed by that is patience, and then compassion, and on the vices and selfishness and avoidance is one of the top choices. And these are some of the answers that they filled out. Okay, I'll give you a basic summary or my interpretation of the data that I got. If not, as you can see, all of the respondents, all 7 of them, chose resilience. I think it is natural for us Filipinos to be naturally resilient. As you can see, even though there are disasters or storms and everything, you can see in the news that people still smile throughout the pain or the suffering that they are feeling right now. So I really believe that resilience is one of the virtues that really sticks with us Filipinos, and it is also one of virtues for a Christian life. Another one is word of patience. I got to learn a very good quote from this year from our another general subject. God sees the truth but waits. The striking part there is the waits. So as you can see, even God waits for the right opportunity to move to seek action. So kailangan pa rin natin maghintay kahit naghihirap po tayo. Ayun yung pinaka nakita kong explanation dun sa kanilang mga pinili. Another is yung compassion. Ibig sabihin nun, kahit naghihirap sila sa time na yon, hindi pa rin nila nakakalimutan magbigay sa ibang tao or intindihin yung ibang tao or yung problema ng ibang tao. So ibig sabihin, hindi pocket down ka, dapat down na rin yung ibang tao kasama mo. Pero nakita ko rin dito na yung mga vices nila, majority sa kanila, meron silang selfishness and avoidance. Avoidance is very natural when you are feeling when you're experiencing or feeling difficult moments, as it is a natural instinct for us humans to avoid pain. So, hindi siya ganung kalayo na kapag may problema kang nararanasan, gusto mo lang siyang takasan. Ganun yung pinaka-interpretation ko. Pero nagulat ako dun sa selfishness na part. Meron dito akong nabasa ang explanation na parang sinasabi niya na ang selfishness niyang part daw is kinikimkim niya yung pinaka-problema. Hindi niya sinasabi sa ibang tao. Pero pwede rin namang maisip natin yung selfishness na part is pwedeng hindi siya nagre-rely or hindi siya hindi siya nagre-rely basically sa ibang tao. Another vice that I noticed is that despair. Syempre, hindi naman natin siya may iwasan din kapag mayroong difficult moments. Kailangan pa rin natin, or kasama siya, basically. Part siya ng emotion natin na malulungkot tayo kapag mayroong tayong nahihirapang or nadadaang mahirap na problema. So, ayun lamang po sa aking summary. So, ito po ulit yung summary ng aking choices. Ito po yung kanyang So again, that's all. I'm Tommy Leonardo. I am from Mechanical Engineering, 4th year section 2, and I thank you all for listening to me.